Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step solution on how to fix Apple payment failed. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button because that shall help me out. The first thing to do is to check your payment details. So go to your settings, then click on Apple ID, which is your name at the top, then click on payment and shipping, then ensure your card details, which is your card number, your expiry date, and your CVV and billing address are correct. Then after that, you can check your balance, and if you are using a debit or credit card, make sure you have a sufficient fund. If you are using an Apple ID balance, ensure you have enough credit for the purchase. And also you can also remove and re-add your payment method. So to do this, go to the settings, then click on your Apple ID, then click on payment, then tap on edit, then remove the existing card and add it again. Then also you can also contact your bank. Your bank may be blocking the transaction, so call them to confirm if they block or if they allowed payment to Apple. Then also you can also update your Apple ID region. If you recently moved or update your region, go to the settings, then tap on the Apple ID and click on media and purchase, then tap on view account, then click on country and region just to confirm that, or probably update your region just to have access to the payment. And also you can also restart your device and try again. Restart your device may also give an open room for easy transaction, and that's how to fix Apple payment method fail. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.